What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and start this off on a very positive note. It only took me 2 entire days, but I was able to finally get the passenger bucket seat installed on the 350Z. You guys probably thought I was gonna give up on this, but I decided to follow through, and believe it or not, I'm completely lying. It actually only took me 15 minutes to put in. So I'll kind of walk you through very briefly what I did, which is probably what I should have done in the first place, but I was lazy because I already put the driver's side seat in, so I was like, oh, I know how to do this. But the easiest way to go about usually installing bucket seats is to first bolt the actual bracket to the car, leave everything loose on it, kind of hold the seat in place, and then line everything up, snug it up, pull it out of the car, tighten it up if you can't reach a wrench in there like I can in here. And then I was able to get it in only 30 seconds. Not 15 minutes, not 30 seconds, 15 seconds is how fast and how easy it was to install this Sparco Evolution Grade 3 FIA-R Type S seat in the 350Z Touring Limited Enthusiast Platinum Gold Bronze Edition. All right, so we're gonna start off this video by taking you for a ride. Oh wait, we can't take you for a ride because this car has a rebuilt title because it was in a front end collision, and I don't have the title, I don't have registration, so it would be very illegal. However, exciting news, Will from Le Chic, aka as I like to call him, the Z Plug, is coming by today. He's gonna pick up the Z. Hopefully he'll have a dealer plate with him since he has to bring it home, or his shop I should say. And he's gonna go get it titled, get it registered. I hope that it won't be an issue that the wheels have a ton of poke. The main issue that they're gonna have to be looking at is this side. Since this is the side that got smashed, they basically have to look at and say, okay, this is an actual car now. It's got a bumper, it's got a headlight, it's got a fender, it's got a wheel that turns. Will it turn when they're there? I hope so. I hope they won't have an issue with the massive amount of poke that the car has, but it's exciting. That's why I haven't been able to really drive this car or drift it or anything. So once that's situated, we'll throw some coilovers on it and she'll be ready to rip, and I'm super excited. So that's your update on the Black Z for the start of this video, Bronze Edition. I spent another 12 hours cleaning the garage. Not 12 hours, not 1 hour, not 15, not even 1 second cleaning the garage, and it still looks exactly the same as it did before. Behind the scenes peek at my bolt drawers. I feel like I don't ever show you guys these. This is like amassed from just ripping apart random suspension components, spare engines and stuff. Always handy to have a selection of random bolts, especially metric stuff that comes off cars that you're used to working on. Right, Nicole? Isn't that right?
So right. I found your phone.
You found my phone? No way. I've literally, the only reason why I was gonna make a video today is because I couldn't find my phone. That is literally the only reason why I was ever gonna even upload to YouTube at all. Thank you. Did I get any texts?
No.
Oh.
Make that down.
What? Oh yeah, I haven't changed it since I got the phone. Who's got time for that, right? Right? We're out here doing big things like drifting.
Yeah.
And giving away 350Zs.
Yeah.
I'm actually installing the shoulder harnesses in the car right now. As you can see, I'm using the, I don't even know how to say this. I think like you German people, so you say it like Schroff or something like that. But kind of cool technology. Nicole has the same ones in her car because I care about her safety a lot. So essentially what this little piece does, by the way, this isn't like a brand deal or anything for Schroff. I just think that these are probably like the safest way you could go for 4-point harnesses since I hate 5 points. What it essentially does, as far as I understand, this part will like rupture in the event of a collision. So since there's only on one side and the other side's a normal harness, it kind of like makes you twist a little bit and prevents your hips from being able to slide through in submarine, which is what's called in an accident if you're wearing a 4-point harness and you slip underneath the harness rather than having like a 5th point that holds your crotch and makes you really uncomfortable. So that's what I chose for this. I don't know if I ever showed you guys finished product of what the carbon fiber wrap I did look like. I will tell you though, because this is like cheaper quality vinyl, it is starting to peel a little bit. So what I'll probably either do is get some better quality vinyl, or what I'd really like to do is send them out to a place that does like hydro dipping, and it would be cool to either hydro dip them in like carbon fiber, or I've seen like a gold carbon fiber before that would look, this is a missile car, we're not gonna do this. All right, never mind, we're gonna leave them. What kind of sorcery is this?
Welcome to America.
Cereal companies are collabing now? What's next? Am I gonna make a video? I literally can't think of anyone that I would collab with that I haven't collabed with already to be funny. I was gonna say like Roman Atwood, but like, ABD.
You should collab with General Mills. Just kidding. So General Mills sponsored this video, and if you use code generalmills.com/LZMFG, you get your first box of Lucky Charms with Frosted Flakes free.
If only. Can you imagine if we had a cereal sponsor, guys? That was completely BS, but like.
We really should. General Mills should sponsor us. We have so many General Mills cereals.
Don't they make like all the cereals?
I mean, not all of them, but they make like the good stuff, them and Kellogg's.
Nicole, I can't remember the last time I've ever seen you eat plain Cheerios, and we have 4 boxes of them.
It's in my mixture. And when I'm sick.
Oh yeah, we got this stash in here too. Got a little rattle I gotta take care of. If all goes well, I should be able to pick it up tomorrow and we'll be able to drive it on the street. Yeah, so Will texted me, and I guess as he got like 10 minutes away from the house, he noticed the brake started smoking. So I think one of the hydro calipers is sticking. Probably, obviously since I haven't driven it really, I didn't know, but I'm guessing the set screw on the handbrake is just a little bit too tight, so there's not enough free play. Ginge had the same problem with his car, so hopefully it doesn't like fry up the rotors and pads, but worst case scenario, I think he's just gonna send it and he doesn't have tools on him. And now we're back up to the garage, and it is your favorite time in the absolute world. We're gonna do the most exciting install time lapse right now. Get ready for it and begin. I'd say about 2 hours later, and finally have a somewhat clean countertop. Got rid of all the clutter over here, took care of this side. Didn't have time to actually like clean the floors and pick up all the little debris and stuff. But the garage is much more workable now. However, I kind of figured this would happen. I spent so long cleaning and organizing that I don't really have time to do any of the stuff that I wanted to actually do project-wise. So I think we might just play a little bit of simulator and call it a night. I haven't played in a while, and I gotta figure out some issues that have been going on with my rig since Jimmy and DJ were like all gnarly and stuff. I guess the pedals weren't working for them. Side note, look how big the Mustang looks compared to the 240. Look at that. These in Formula Drift are drifting with these. Look at the size difference. I would not want to be hit by a Mustang driving a 240. That would suck. I have been really enjoying the Mustang and the 85. I don't know if I've mentioned this in a video or if I've just said it on Twitter, but I'd say I'll probably keep the car for at least another half a year. Like, I'm really enjoying it, and although it needs to go, the BMW has proven itself not very reliable at the moment, and it's nice having a daily with AC, kind of necessary in Florida. So there are a couple little mods, if you want to call them that I want to do to the Mustang. I'm gonna kind of keep it on the DL. You guys can probably guess a couple of them. They're nothing like too crazy, but I'm gonna try to make the car so I can enjoy it just a little bit more. Not that it's a bad car right now, but there's a few things that I would change that would definitely make this car feel like way more me. I don't know if I just have really bad luck, but 9 out of 10 times whenever I play the simulator, something doesn't work, and it's very sad. Usually like a control will just stop randomly working, or I'll have to do like some update that will make things stop working. Tonight, one of my USB ports at my computer stopped working, and I basically got very annoyed and fed up with shuffling around things because I'd like unplug my keyboard, and then I'd need my keyboard to do something, so then I'd unplug the mouse, and then I need the mouse to do something. It just wasn't a very great use of time. So we're gonna order like one of those little USB splitter things, but yeah. You know what, I have the videos where we get a ton of stuff done. Sometimes we gotta have the videos where we aren't able to get much done, because one of the ways that I'm able to get so much done so fast is by not cleaning and making messes, but then eventually the messes have to get cleaned. Anyway, I'm gonna cut this video a little bit short, and then tomorrow we have a jam-packed day. Actually have some really cool stuff going on with the giveaway Z, and some really cool stuff going on with the Black Z that should be pretty exciting. So look forward to that, and I will see you guys then. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.